Flycat Electrical Company Limited, founded in 2012, is located in Bao'an District in Shenzhen. Flycat is a high-tech enterprise specialized in medical devices and personal oral care products. It integrates R&D, production, sales, and services. After nearly a decade of growth and expansion, it has developed into a large-scale and international enterprise. With first-class corporate management and product quality, it has become a leader in the water flosser industry. For many years, Flycat has been adhering to the concept of providing customers with one-stop solutions to improve service quality and efficiency in all aspects, and strive to achieve the perfect combination of R&D, design, processing, manufacturing, and customization for customers. In terms of research and development, Flycat has established a technical team made up of excellent electronic engineers and mold engineers. With an average experience in development, design, and production of more than 8 years. In an effort to maintain the enterprise core of continuous innovation, we promote R&D technology, the dental flushing device and washing machine with a spirit of convergence, openness, efficiency, and innovation. In production, Flycat has continuously introduced automation equipment, promoted core technology research and development, and implemented strict quality control. All these efforts helped us complete the great turn from product manufacturer to solution service provider. From 2018, we have introduced lean production management, formulated a 5-year production transformation plan. And gradually improved production efficiency with a high-quality, low-consumption production method. Within 2 years, the factory's production capacity has increased by 50%, and the quality inspection accuracy rate has reached 99.5%. achieving the dual effect of creating value for customers and realizing self-value. We have multiple ways to cooperate with customers. Flexibly customize cooperation based on different customer demands, and strive to maximize the benefit of both parties. Flycat builds its own brand, Nice Feel, and strives to accumulate more experience in product development and brand building in order to bring more creativity and surprises to everyone. Nice Feel mainly produces medical care products such as oral and nasal irrigators, which are recognized by the industry for their high performance and high quality. In terms of products, we have developed leading in the industry water pressure technology, using core technology pulse water pressure for deep cleaning, which greatly improves the product's use effect. Until 2020, FlyCat has more than 100 independent research and development patents and has obtained a number of honorary titles. At the same time, it has formed a strategic cooperative relations with many well-known foreign companies, laying a solid foundation for technology research and development and talent reserves. At the same time, Nicefield attaches great importance to the value of employees and carry out various creative cultural activities to enhance the cohesion of the company. Looking forward to the future, Nicefield will focus on the mission of technological clean and healthy life, accelerate the introduction of high-end technology and talent teams, form a high-tech enterprise of advanced equipment and technology manufacturing. The company aims to provide domestic and foreign customers with efficient, high-quality, and high-value products and services. We hope to safeguard the health of people around the world.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.